Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Pixel to accept a new system image. Backup critical files because unlocking the bootloader erases user data. Once done, enable developer options, toggle USB debugging, and allow OEM unlock. Make sure you downloaded the exact factory image and platform tools for your model and extracted them into one folder. Connect the phone via USB, open a terminal, and run a DB reboot bootloader to confirm fastboot recognizes the device. This is with the device in bootloader mode, unlock it via fastboot. Remember, this wipes data. Next, flash in the recommended order. Vendor or boot partitions first to ensure hardware compatibility, then system, and finally VB meta if present to handle verified boot. You can use the provided flash-all script for convenience or run fastboot flash commands individually to control the sequence. Watch the terminal for failed writes. A single error means stop, recheck images, and retry rather than proceeding blindly. After flashing completes, run fastboot reboot and let the Pixel boot. First boot can take several minutes because it optimizes apps. Once stable, restore your backup, and if you want locked boot security, relock the bootloader with fastboot flashing lock, only after confirming the correct image. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. If you hit a boot loop, immediately re-enter bootloader and reflash the exact factory image and VB meta for your build, or perform a cache/data wipe. Mismatched images cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.